I am currently staring at a kitchen drawer filled with half-empty bottles of wellness promises that never quite delivered on their hype. Most of the time, we are just buying expensive water pills wrapped in clever marketing and neon labels. I decided to take a gamble on the Detox Paradox supplement because I was genuinely tired of the usual fluff. I wanted to know if this was just another clever marketing scheme or something actually worth the counter space. When it arrived, the first thing I did was flip that bottle over to scan the ingredients. You would be shocked at how many companies hide behind proprietary blends. They use words that sound like they were pulled from a science fiction novel. This one actually had a clear and readable list. There were no mystery powders and no vague buzzwords designed to confuse the average person. That transparency gave me a rare moment of confidence before I even took the first dose. The routine itself was refreshingly low maintenance. We have all seen those detox regimes that require you to plan your entire existence around a schedule of pills and powders. Those are the ones that end up forgotten in a junk drawer after 4 days. This was simple enough to actually stick with over the long term. That matters because consistency is the only way to see if something actually works. During those first few days, I stayed very observant. I did not experience some sudden, life-changing burst of energy or a miracle transformation. Anyone who tells you that a supplement will fix your life overnight is probably lying to you. What I did notice was much more grounded and subtle. My stomach felt significantly less heavy after eating. That post-lunch bloat that usually makes me want to unbutton my pants just was not there. It was a small shift, but it was a welcome one. It made me realize how much we overlook the small signs of our bodies actually feeling better. The marketing for these products usually shows people glowing with perfection after one sip. The reality is much more gradual and quiet. If you are looking for an overnight reset or a way to drop weight by Monday morning, this is going to leave you disappointed. Biology does not work like a light switch. I still believe that drinking a gallon of water and eating actual vegetables does more for the human body than any capsule ever could. Real science is hard to beat. However, I found that this product acted like a solid teammate. It was not trying to be the main event in my health routine. It was more like a quiet assistant in the background helping things run a bit smoother. That kind of honesty is rare in an industry built on wild claims and false hope. When the big question of whether it is a scam comes up, I feel comfortable saying, it feels legit. It did not come with those aggressive, nasty side effects that make you regret your life choices. It just offered a gentle improvement in how I felt throughout the day. If you want a mild tool to help you feel a bit lighter and more comfortable while you work on your overall nutrition, it might be a good fit. Just keep your feet on the ground. Remember that there is no substitute for a solid foundation of good food and hydration. It is a supplement, not a replacement for common sense. Use it as a helper, not a miracle.